Good morning, students. Here I am back with new chapter. I hope you all have done well in your exam. So let's start our next chapter, that is lesson 9, Air and Water. Children, before starting the chapter, let's take a quick review of its content. Here, air around us, need for air, water around us, keeping air and water clean. In this chapter, we will cover these 4 topics. Now, let's start. Children, do you ever think, how does the kite fly? Yes, you can say the kite flies with the help of air, as you can see in given picture. Now, introduction about water and air, or you can say air and water. Now, let's read these points. Air and water are very important for all living things. We need air as well as water to live. We cannot see air, but it is present everywhere. We can see water and it is present in 3 states. It means water is present in 3 states. These are solid, liquid and gas. Now, liquid water is found in rivers, fountains and waterfalls. Solid water is found in ice, snow-covered mountains, etc. And gas water you can see in the form of vapor, fog and geyser steam. Now, air around us. Air helps us to breathe. We cannot touch or smell air, but we can feel it. Air moves from one place to another. Moving air is called wind. As you can see here, moving air is called wind. Now, when wind moves softly, it is called a breeze. Again, you can see in given picture. Now, strong wind is called a storm. Now, our next topic is need for air. Students, air moves clouds from one place to another. And when it moves, clouds bring rain and rain brings water. Now, air dries clothes. As you can see here, air dries clothes. Now, air makes the kites fly, as I told you all earlier. Now, air makes sailboats move on water. Air helps birds fly. Now, many things need to be filled with air before they can be used. Objects like balloons, air pillows, football and tires can only be used after They are filled with air. Now, water around us. We need water to live. Just like us, plants and animals also need water to live. Water does not have any color, taste or smell. Now, sources of water. There are two main sources of water. First one is surface water and second one is ground water. Students, rain is the main source of water. Now, surface water. It is found in lakes, rivers and sea. Ground water. It lies under the surface of the land, like from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. This is well. Now, we will learn uses of water. Students, we use water to do many things. For cleaning, for cooking, for washing, for drinking, for bathing and many more. We also need water for putting out fires, as you can see in given picture. Now, plants need water to grow. Animals and birds also need water to drink and to keep their bodies cool. Now, keeping air and water clean. Let's read these points to know how do we keep air and water clean. Smoke coming out from vehicles makes the air dirty. So avoiding this, we can use bicycles and carpools help in keeping the air clean. Plants clean the air. So we should plant trees all around us and take care of them. Waste should not be thrown in water bodies. Water bodies means lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. These all are the water bodies. Water can be saved by closing taps when not in use. Now it's time for brainstorming. How can you tell the direction of the wind? Yes, children, think about it. Yes, you can say we can tell the direction of wind from the direction it blows. Now, difficult words. You all have to repeat these difficult words after me. Number 1 is breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Number 2 is storm. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. Number 3, wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Number 4, present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. Number 5, source. S-O-U-R-C-E. Source. Number 6, water bodies. W-A-T-E-R. Water bodies. B-O-D-I-E-S. Bodies. Number 7, underground. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Ground, ground, underground. Number 8, smoke, Smoke, smoke. Number 9, warmth, Warmth, warmth. Now, you have to note down all these difficult words in your rough copy. Students, that's all for today. Thank you.